fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hello lovely, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, my name is Isabella, and on this channel I create different kinds of recipes, not just limited to that. I also vlog from time to time talking about some very interesting issues that might interest you as well. So if you haven't subscribed or you like what you're seeing on this channel, please make sure you subscribe so that you will stay connected. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare a simple egg sauce. This egg sauce, you can actually use it to eat any kind of food that you want, varieties like yam, rice, and potatoes. For this one, I'm going to be serving it with boiled potatoes. So if you want to see how I make this recipe, just continue to watch and let's get cooking. Firstly, I would need to peel off the skin of my potato and then boil. While my potato is cooking, I will also at the same time be making my egg sauce. So everything will be ready almost at the same time. Like I mentioned before, you can use your egg sauce to eat anything that you prefer. You can use it. It goes very well with yam. It goes well with spaghetti and also with rice. So anything you decide you want to use your egg sauce to eat, you can't go wrong. And for this, I'm going to be using 4 large size of potatoes. Once I'm done peeling off the skin of the potatoes and cutting it into the size that I want, I'll go ahead to wash my potatoes and then transfer it into a boiling water. And I always like my potato very soft, so I'll cook my potato for the next 10 to 12 minutes depending on the species of the potato. Some potatoes are tough to cook, but if it's the type that it doesn't take long to cook, of course I'm going to be cooking it for that long because I always like my potato very soft. So you can cook yours as you want it. While my potato is boiling now, I'll go ahead to start making my egg sauce. So now I have my pan on the stove. What I'm going to be doing now is to add oil to my pan. Now I'll be adding my onions. I will allow my onions to fry for a little bit on a medium heat. This is to allow my onions to caramelize before I will go ahead to add my freshly chopped tomatoes into the pan. I'll be adding my spices. I just added ginger powder, thyme, curry powder, all-purpose seasoning, and also salt. I will be adding black pepper as well. Normally I would have used crushed pepper because I like a little bit of hotness in my food, but since I haven't got any left, so I'll be adding just black pepper. So it's just optional anyway. You can add any spice of your choice in this. There's no right and wrong here at all. It depends on what you prefer. All right guys, so now I'll cover up my sauce to allow to fry for a little bit depending on the timing. So now you can see my sauce is bubbling. The oil is now floating on top and it's really bubbling. So at this point, you know that you can go ahead to add your eggs, your fresh eggs. So I'm now adding my eggs. I'm using 5 eggs to make this recipe. So it depends on the size of your sauce, so that will depend on the amount of egg that you're going to be using. Hello lovely, it is almost ready. So here we have our sauce. Our simple egg sauce is almost ready now. So I'm just stirring it carefully because I don't want the eggs to break into pieces. I always like to see a bit of chunky egg in my sauce. So that's how I like it, not for any particular reason. So otherwise, you can just do it however you want to, okay? So now what I'm going to be doing now is to serve my delicious egg with potatoes. What do you think about this recipe? You may want to try it. If you try it, let us know. Okay? If you like it, let us know. If you don't, still let us know. And if you've watched this video to this point and you haven't subscribed, please kindly do so, because that way you always get notification anytime we upload new videos, as long as you clicked on the notification bell button when you subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and also drop your comments. Okay, bye.